Our marine search and rescue volunteers respond to about 1,000 jobs every year, and of that, about 60% of those are towing boats back that are broken down. Today we've been running a towing workshop, and it's been run in conjunction with some naval architects and load restraint experts to put some science into how we tow and the equipment that we tow with, and to look at some of the factual information that we need to gather so that when we're building boats, designing boats and equipping our volunteers with equipment, it's got some science and some facts behind it. Yeah, towing boats on water invariably has a lot of risk, particularly for the stability of the boat that's being towed, but also the rescue boat as well. So it's not something that's just done at a whim. There is a lot of training behind it. There's always risks of capsizing, stability changes with people moving around those boats, and also when we bring them into the shore or close into jetties or other busy boat ramps, collisions with other boats. So we're always learning. Everyone craves learning new things, and there's nothing better than seeing new equipment or new ways of doing things, trying things in a safe environment. And that's what today's about. We're capturing a lot of data in a safe environment with really skilled people, so that what we go and teach or what we go and do in the future with our other crews has some facts and figures and science behind it and is as safe as possible.